Watch this. I'm going to copy the link of this video. Now I'll simply double tap the back of my iPhone and look at that. The video immediately starts downloading. A few seconds later, it's saved directly to my Photos app. No downloading another app, no opening a complicated website every time. And once you set this up, you can trigger it with just 2 taps on the back of your iPhone. So, if you're using an iPhone, let me show you exactly how to set this up from scratch. And stay until the end, because the back tap setup is the part that makes this whole trick feel like magic. Step 1. Get the shortcut. First, open Safari on your iPhone. In the search bar, type R download and tap search. Now look for the Routine Hub result and open it. Once the page loads, don't worry if it looks a little confusing. Just scroll down until you find the button that says Get Shortcut. Tap on it. If Routine Hub asks you to sign up or create an account, you can skip that. Just look for Skip for now and tap it. You don't need to create an account for this setup. Step 2. Add R download to shortcuts. After skipping that step, you'll see the shortcut setup page. Now tap Setup Shortcut. Then tap Next. And finally, tap Add Shortcut. And that's it. The R download shortcut is now installed in your iPhone's Shortcuts app. But right now, we still have to tell your iPhone how you want to trigger this shortcut. That's where the back tap feature comes in. Step 3. Turn on back tap. Now open your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, tap Touch. Now, scroll all the way down. You'll find an option called Back Tap. Tap on it. Here, you'll see 2 options, double tap and triple tap. We're going to use double tap because it's faster and easier. So tap double tap. Now scroll down until you find the shortcuts section. And there it is, R download. Tap on R download to select it. And now your iPhone is set up. Let's test it. Go back to any app where you have a video you want to save. For example, let's say I found a video I want to download. I'll tap Share, copy the video link, and now I don't need to open shortcuts. I don't need to search for anything. I simply turn my iPhone around and double tap the back. The shortcut runs automatically and the download starts. Once it finishes, I can open my Photos app and there's the video right in my gallery. Important tip. Now, one important thing before you try this yourself, the shortcut depends on the video link and the platform you're downloading from. So it may not work with every single website or social media platform. And always make sure you have permission to download and reuse the content you're saving. And that's it. You've now turned the back of your iPhone into a one-tap video download trigger. If this trick saved you time, hit the like button and subscribe for more useful iPhone tricks and hidden features. I'll see you in the next one.